अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर व्यूअर्स। आई एम अब्दुल आलिम। मैं हूं आप लोगों का साथ। टुडे वी आर रिपेयरिंग द ब्रदर swing machine. Okay, I don't know what is the problem, but this problem showing if I put power. This electric swing machine switch is on. Okay, now switch is on. Look, no moving, only like this. Maybe inside jam. So come to check. Okay, come checking inside what is the problem. Maybe swing machines common problem, this one. First time I opening this, so I don't know how to open. So many extra parts they are giving. Look inside. I keep inside. Okay, now, yes. There is one screw. Look, inside one screw. Okay friends, problem is there. Look, problem is here. Look what is the problem. Look. Okay, light turning. Now you can see. Look, too much. This inside blocked. So no moving. Okay, maybe now this one working. No problem. Okay, I put this. Keep this. I keep this. Okay, now checking now. No need checking. This is plugged. Okay. Yes, it's now working. Okay, dear friends, if you see any problem, any machine, any mechanism, if you don't know what is the problem, then no problem. You just open one by one, check, and don't forget how to you open. How can you open? Okay, just remember all equipments how to you remove. This is very important for servicing, for repairing any equipment. Okay. There is also blocked. Look, so many stitches are here. Okay, this is a its problem already solved. Okay, thank you dear friends for watching my videos. Please like and share. Okay, thank you.